Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Amazon Associates on YouTube links, full guide step-by-step clip. To connect with Amazon Associates on YouTube links, begin by signing in to your Amazon Associates account. If you do not have an account, create one by following the prompts on the Amazon Associates sign-up page. Once logged in, navigate to the product links section. Here, you can search for products you want to promote. After finding an item, click on the Get Link button. You will see options for generating a text link, image link, or both. Choose the link format that best fits your content. Once you have selected your preferred format, copy the generated link. Next, open your YouTube channel and choose the video where you want to include the link. Go to the video description area before publishing or editing the video. Paste the Amazon Associates link into the description box. To make the link more user-friendly, consider using URL shorteners. This makes it easier for viewers to click on the link. You can also mention the link verbally in your video content. Remind viewers that they can find the link in the description below. Make sure to disclose your affiliation with Amazon as per FTC guidelines. You can add a brief disclaimer in the video or the description. After finalizing your video, publish or update it to make the link live. Monitor your Amazon Associates dashboard to track clicks and earnings. Regularly engage with your audience and encourage them to check out the linked products. This will create a stronger connection between your content and the products you promote. Continue optimizing your links based on viewer feedback and performance data. Experiment with different products to see what resonates best with your audience. This will help you maximize your earning potential through the Amazon Associates program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.